We're here in Penang, Malaysia. We're going to do a UNESCO World Heritage walk today.
As hot as foot.
There's the fort. We're going to get lost. Keep going. We're going to get left behind. This happens every time we go on a guided tour. This car is very Tokyo Drift. That purple is a choice, isn't it? Cadbury purple, I'd call that. Oh, it looks like a cricket pitch. This is where the British first arrived in Penang. This is Penang City Hall. This is the first Anglican church in Malaysia. It's very smoky.
So I did tell you something about the Second World War.
Oh, we're going into the temple, Dennis. People are lighting these sticks.
So these are the four gods So that's like a beach. She went to bed. And they pour into 2 pots, okay?
Want to knock someone down? This is Little India. It smells lovely. It's like a lovely spicy smell. It's very nice. That looks lovely.
So the story started this way. There's a god of Shiva.
These people here just trying to eat their dinner and all of us showed up.
Very happy reunion. And the queen tell them,
It's a very interesting place. A melting pot is the word I use to describe it. Do you think a melting pot is about the heat? A melting pot is like a mix of different cultures.
okay, why is this very happening? During the nights,
So I said, what?
Melting
night
hot.
stops. They're doing the light band music.
He said that's where all the backpackers stay.
Like that, those
a
are
mosque.
all crystal.
Or not, we'll go over to the mosque. This is a clan house. This is Armenian Street. We have free time now, so we're going to look around the streets of Penang. That's nice. I feel like stealing one of those umbrellas to walk around for the rest of the day because it's very hot. Come on, doesn't look well. Do you want to go into an Armenian house? Jesus. I should probably stop walking on the street because I nearly got knocked down there. Dennis is mad for a fridge magnet. It's really nice around here. What's happening? There's a queue of people to get a picture with this bicycle and these kids. This is the more modern part of Penang. And someone got married. Oh, they got married. That's lovely. This is the Jetty. I was told by someone, and I don't know who, so sorry if it's you, that if I come to Penang, I need to come to the Jetty. All of these buildings were built on the jetty. Oh, people live here. There's another jetty over there. You can see, look, all the houses are built on stilts.
Yeah, this would be the place where anacondas would live in the water.
Anacondas are native to the Amazon. You're in Malaysia. That one's mad for a photo. I'm going to walk out here. Dennis is going to start giving out to me because he's going to say that I'm going to fall in, but I won't. There's the bridge to the mainland. It's nice, isn't it? I think we just heard gunshots. It's gone. Do you want to steal the fireworks? You could make a fortune for them in Ireland. It's very nice. Some of the buildings, it says not to film because they're people's houses. There's some happening here. Lots of people are filming this. So we had a lovely day in Penang. I really enjoyed it. It was very interesting. A real melting pot, Dennis.
Aye, and I was just melting.
Yeah, it was very warm. But overall, really enjoyed our visit to Malaysia.